everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you a very simple way to elevate an old sweatshirt. Today we're going to be making this DIY Beaded Heart Sweatshirt, but if the hearts or this color palette is not your style, that's okay, because the beauty in this DIY is that it's extremely customizable and it's very simple. The cool thing about this is that you can elevate a sweatshirt, you can elevate an old t-shirt, a tote bag, a blanket, you name it. Really, the possibilities are endless. So if you want to see the very simple way to elevate basically anything, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to bust out those old sweatshirts and to add your own unique flair to them. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.